Monarch Money versus Empower, which budgeting app is right for you. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into a comparison of two leading personal finance management platforms, which is Monarch Money and Empower. And we will compare Monarch Money and Empower in terms of their features comparison, pricing and fees, performance, financial planning, overall suitability, and at the end of the video, I'll help you choose which one is best for you. So make sure to watch till the end because I've created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And to create an account on Monarch Money and Empower, you could also use my affiliate link in the description below where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the links, you may also get some discounts or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Monarch Money, it is a modern financial platform designed to simplify banking and help users achieve their financial goals, in which it offers a combination of essential banking services, competitive interest rates, and the user-friendly features all within a single app. On the other hand, Empower is a comprehensive financial platform that goes beyond traditional banking services to offer user a holistic approach to managing their money. And also Empower provides checking and savings accounts with no overdraft fees, coupled with features like a high-yield checking account and cashback rewards on everyday purchases. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details about Monarch Money and Empower. So let's start by knowing the features comparison of both platforms. As you can see in this table, in terms of account types, Monarch Money offers checking and savings accounts, while Empower also offers checking and savings accounts. And in terms of interest rates, Monarch Money offers competitive interest rates on savings accounts, while Empower offers a high-yield checking account with cashback rewards. And in terms of fees, Monarch Money offers no overdraft or maintenance fees, which is also the same on Empower that offer no overdraft or maintenance fees. And now in terms of investment options, Monarch Money offers limited investment options within the app, while Empower provides access to investment accounts with no minimums. And now in terms of budgeting tools, Monarch Money offers basic budgeting tools and insights, while Empower offers comprehensive budgeting tools with personalized recommendations. And aside from that, in terms of security features, Monarch Money offers advanced security features like encryption and biometric login, while Empower offers state-of-the-art security measures including encryption and 2FA. And in terms of customer support, Monarch Money offers responsive customer support via phone, email, and chat, which is also same on Empower. And now in terms of financial education, Monarch Money offers or provides educational resources and articles within the app, while Empower offers financial literacy, content, and webinars. Now in terms of ATM access, Monarch Money offers access to a network of ATMs, while Empower provides a free access to a network of ATMs. And now in terms of pricing and fees, as you can see on this table, in terms of monthly fee, Monarch Money does not offer monthly fee, while Empower offers $8 per month. Now in terms of ATM fee, Monarch Money offers no fees for in-network ATMs, which reimburses up to $15 per month for out-of-network fees, while Empower offers no fees for in-network ATMs, in which reimburses up to $10 per month for out-of-network fees. And now in terms of foreign transaction fee, Monarch Money offers 1% fee for international transactions, while Empower offers no foreign transaction fees. And in terms of currency conversion fee, Monarch Money offers 0.05% fee for currency conversion, while Empower does not offer or no currency conversion fees. And now in terms of other fees, Monarch Money and Empower have no maintenance fees, while Empower has no hidden fees. Now moving on in terms of performance comparison, as you can see on this table, in terms of interest rates, Monarch Money offers competitive interest rates on savings accounts, while Empower offers a high-yield checking account with cashback rewards. And in terms of investment returns, Monarch Money offers limited investment options within the app, and returns vary based on market performance, while Empower provides access to investment accounts with potential returns based on investment choices. And for financial tools, Monarch Money offers basic budgeting tools and insights, while Empower offers comprehensive budgeting tools with personalized recommendations. And in terms of mobile app rating, Monarch Money has generally positive ratings on app stores, which is also the same on Empower. And aside from that, in terms of account growth, Monarch Money depends on individual saving and spending habits, while Empower can grow with cashback rewards and investment returns. And in terms of security, Monarch Money offers advanced security features like encryption and biometric login. And for Empower, it offers state-of-the-art security measures including encryption and 2FA. And now in terms of overall performance, Monarch Money provides a solid platform for basic banking needs, while Empower offers additional perks like cashback rewards and investment options for more comprehensive financial experience. Now moving on in terms of financial planning, As you can see on this table, in terms of budgeting tools, Monarch Money provides a basic budgeting tools and insights, while Empower offers comprehensive budgeting tools with personalized recommendations. And for goal setting, Monarch Money allows users to set savings goals within the app, while Empower also provides goal-setting features with progress tracking. And in terms of expense tracking, Monarch Money tracks expenses and categorizes transactions, while Empower tracks expenses and offers insights into spending habits. And in terms of saving strategies, Monarch Money offers insights into saving habits and potential savings areas, while Empower provides personalized recommendations for saving and spending. And aside from that, in terms of debt management, Monarch Money offers limited debt management tools within the app, while Empower offers insights into debt repayment strategies. And also in terms of investment planning, Monarch Money offers limited investment options within the app and no comprehensive investment planning tools, while Empower provides access to investment accounts with potential returns based on investment choices. While insurance planning, Monarch Money have no specific insurance planning tools within the app. On the other hand, Empower offers insights into insurance needs and coverage options. Now moving on in terms of overall suitability, in terms of target audience of Monarch Money is for individuals looking for basic banking services with competitive interest rates, while Empower is for users seeking a comprehensive financial platform with cashback rewards and investment options. And for budgeting needs, Monarch Money is suitable for individuals who require basic budgeting tools and insights. And Empower is ideal for users who want comprehensive budgeting tools with personalized recommendations. Now in terms of investment goals, Monarch Money offers a limited investment option suitable for beginners, while Empower offers investment accounts with potential returns based on investment choices. But the question is, who should choose Monarch Money? Well, Monarch Money is ideal for individuals seeking basic banking services with competitive interest rates, and for those who prefer a user-friendly mobile app with an intuitive interface, and for users who prioritize advanced security features like encryption and biometric login, and for those individuals looking for responsive customer support via phone, email, and chat, and for those who require access to a network of ATMs and prefer integration with a third-party financial apps, and also for the people who want educational resources and articles within the app to enhance their financial knowledge. But what about the Empower? Who should choose Empower? Well, Empower is ideal for those users seeking a comprehensive financial platform with cashback rewards and investment options, and for individuals who want a comprehensive budgeting tools with personalized recommendations, and also to those interested in earning cashback rewards on everyday purchases, and for users who value a sleek and easy-to-navigate mobile app experience, and for people who prioritize state-of-the-art security measures including encryption and 2FA, and also for individuals looking a free access to a network of ATMs and integration with various financial apps and services. And now, in conclusion, the choice between Monarch Money and Empower largely depends on individual financial needs and preferences. Monarch Money caters well to those seeking basic banking services with competitive interest rates, offering a user-friendly mobile app, advanced security features, and access to a network of ATMs. But on the other hand, Empower appeals to individuals looking for a comprehensive financial platform with features such as cashback rewards, investment options, and personalized budgeting tools. While Monarch Money prioritizes simplicity and competitive rates, Empower emphasizes a holistic approach to financial management, providing users with tools and incentives to optimize their finances. But ultimately, selecting between two platforms hinges on whether one prioritizes simplicity and competitive rates, which is Monarch Money, or seeks a more comprehensive financial management experience with added incentives, which is Empower. So that is just a comparison review between Monarch Money and Empower. Thank you.